Yo, it's Guilds, and this is how to get like mega zoom without Jailbreak. So you want to download that city impactor that you just seen there from the description, and then you want to download this as well. That's the actual zoom hack. It's just the hacked agario.rpa file. So that means like the install app file. It's just already pre-hacked, and then so that's the app right there. And then you want to open up City Impactor. That was the other app right here. You want to have that open, and then you want to plug in your iPhone or your iPad or whatever the fuck you're using, not jailbroken, and then drag the app into there. And then you want to type in your Apple ID and then your password. If you don't know your Apple ID or your password, just make a new one and that'll work. And that just signs the app so that it can be opened. So you'll see in the settings, like when you install something from Tweakbox and you got to confirm it, it's the exact same as that. Because the app's been hacked, so you got to re-sign it. Most people don't know what that means, but yeah, so just let that install. It takes a little bit, and then go over to your iPhone or iPad, and you'll see it there. It says iOS Gods. You'll need to have an account with iOS Gods to use this, but they let you sign in with Twitter, Google, or Facebook. So just sign in with Facebook or Twitter. That's what I did. And so just open up the Agario. There is one ad when you open up Agario. Yeah, see it says thank you, and you got to sign in. So yeah, you do this, but once you sign in once, it just saves your login. So yeah, so see, I go sign in with Twitter, but you can go sign in with Facebook or Google, anything. You don't even need to have an account. You just go sign in, and it makes the account for you. I remember my details there, but I typed it in and logged in, and bang, it says there you have hack. I'm not going to sign into my account because that's too much time. Yeah, see, this is the one ad when you open up Agario. You have that ad, and then you'll have a little tiny ad as well, but once you close them, they don't come back. That's what I've realized. It's a one-time ad when you open it because, they made the hack. But very soon I will be making my own version of this hack, but it's just really hard to use IDA and actually program your own apps. Like, it's fucking hard, so give me time. But my mate made this one on iOS Gods forum. Yeah, he's a fucking nerd. He's teaching me how to do it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. That's Mega Zoom, no jailbreak. Peace.